guys, it's meant from Canadian Auto Performance. And what I have here is a stock B9 A4 S-Line. And today I'm going to show you one of the best and easiest mods you can do to improve the look of your car. And that is our B9 A4 S4 dry carbon spoiler V1 style. Okay, so the first step to installing the spoiler is making sure your trunk is clean. So what we recommend is getting a clean rag, just wet it a bit, go across it, and then dry it with the dry side. Then just make sure there's no debris or anything on the trunk of the car.
So the next step to installing the spoiler is we're just going to test fit it onto the vehicle first. We just want to see how much space each side needs to move by, and we're just going to even it out. We're going to check the one side first, and then we're going to check the other side. And once we see where it's evened out, you're just going to put a marker, which is using masking tape. We're going to leave it right there.
So once you put the masking tape on the vehicle as your reference point for the spoiler, the next step is putting on the double-sided 3M tape. Now, one of the great things about this spoiler is there's no screws or bolts, so it is reversible if you want to take it off in the future, and it's very easy to attach this. So what you're going to do is just take this roll and then just apply it to the spoiler. Alright guys, and that's how you install our dry carbon fiber spoiler V1 style on this B9 A4. And I mean, look at it. It looks a lot more aggressive. The spoiler adds a nice flare to it. And the dry carbon weave looks absolutely amazing. It's a very simple, easy, and quick installation that anyone can do at home. And it's a great first mod to improve the aesthetics of your car. Make sure you follow our YouTube channel to see what we do next to this vehicle.